In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send birthday wishes in Mailerlite. We'll walk through setting up an automatic birthday email so your subscribers get a special message every year without you having to remember a thing. By the end of this video, you'll have a working automation that sends a personalized birthday email on the exact date your subscribers were born. First, we need to create a custom birthday field in your Mailerlite account. This is where each subscriber's birth date will be stored. In your dashboard, go to the Subscribers section, then open the Fields tab. Here you'll see all the data fields you currently collect. Click on Add New Field. When it asks for a name, type Birthday. Then, make sure you select Date as the field type. This is really important because Mailerlite needs it to be recognized as a date in order to trigger the automation on that specific day. Once that's set, click Create. Now your account is ready to store birthday information for your subscribers. Next, let's build the birthday automation itself. Head over to the Automation section and click on Create Workflow or New Automation, depending on what your account shows. When you're asked to choose a trigger, select Event Anniversary. This trigger is designed exactly for things like birthdays, where you want an email to go out every year on the same date. On the right-hand side, in the Settings panel, start by choosing the subscriber group you want this automation to apply to. This might be your main newsletter list or a specific segment. Then, choose your custom birthday field that you just created. This tells Mailerlite which date to look at for each subscriber. For when it should send, choose on the date so the email goes out on their actual birthday. You can also set your preferred time of day, for example, early in the morning in your audience's time zone. When everything looks good, click Save. Finally, let's design the birthday email and turn the workflow on. In your workflow builder, click the plus icon and choose Email. Enter a subject line that feels friendly and personal, such as Happy Birthday and Name, so it pulls in your subscriber's first name. Then click Design Email to open the editor. Here you can add your message, images, a special offer, or a simple heartfelt greeting. When you're happy with the design and content, click Done Editing. To start sending these automatically, go to the top right of the workflow and toggle the status to On or Active. Once that's done, your Mailerlite account will automatically send birthday wishes to your subscribers every year.